Whee!
Yep.
Ride him, cowboy. Yeah.
Woo!
Uh-oh. Roadblock. Mr. B's in the way. Hey, move it, Mr. B. Move it.
Mimi, go back. Hold on.
Oh. Woo! Puts his little feet out. They slide across the floor.
You slid off. Man down. Put your arms up here. Ready?
He's in the bathroom.
Ready? Look at the camera. Look at mommy.
My cousin.
I already did. Go. Say hey for me.
I love you,
Dad. Love you, Grandpa.
Love you.
Yep, everyone says, it says Merry Christmas, Grandpa.
Love you.
Oh.
We love you.
Whoa.
Ready?
Woo. That fun? Do you like it? You're so funny. Whoa! You almost got Gus there. Whoa, Daddy is a wild driver. Daddy is a wild driver. Like, hey, Papa.
He loves it. Okay, I'm afraid to hurt his feet if you get caught. No, just
He puts him up and lets him slide across the floor.
You gotta steer for him.
Grandpa said, hey, he'll give you a call this weekend.
Okay.
But he has his treatment on Tuesday, so maybe this weekend.
Wow, falling off the horse.
You should have seen Mike trying to get him on it. Oh my goodness.
Yeah, just what we need. A 52-year-old man going, behind him. He's like, come on.
He's like, come on, get back there, push this thing. You're a funny geek.
Yeah, got that sort of, those things go, but I have a hard time getting like this.
Okay, I'm turning this off because it's almost dead.